I never thought that I'll be doing anything like this. I mean, I'm in front of a camera, about to go on YouTube, so many people can see me, and then contact me and say, what are you doing on YouTube? Well, I'm on YouTube for one reason. I have an album out, right? My name is Charles R. Fizz Jr. My album is called Out of Hiding. Outstanding album. I wrote it myself, so I'm gonna say that. Hey, I love what I'm doing. This is exciting. I see so many things going on. I'm meeting so many different people. I'm loving it. Right? I'm signed to Tape Music Group. They're doing great for me. My family is having a good time. I'm having a good time. I want you to have a good time. Go get the album. Out of Hiding. It's on iTunes, Amazon.com. We have fun with it. Gospel music. Real gospel music. Not that crazy stuff. Real gospel music. Something that's going to uplift you, encourage you, make you feel glad. Say, I want to listen to that brother one more time. So, again, this is Charles Fizz. This is brand new to me. Never thought I would be on YouTube in front of a camera so everybody could see. But it is what it is. I'm glad to be here. God is good. Go get the album.